Explorers Lucas and Emma have embarked on a daring mission. Leaving Mercury behind, they head toward the mysterious moons of Mars. Their first destination is Phobos, the largest and closest of the two Martian satellites. Discovered in 1877, it hides many secrets. Phobos has a strange, irregular shape, much like a giant potato drifting in space, measuring only 27 by 18 kilometers. It orbits extremely close to Mars, just 6,000 kilometers away, gradually being pulled in by the planet's gravity. In 30 to 50 million years, this moon will meet its end, torn apart to likely form a spectacular ring around Mars. Phobos orbits so fast that it crosses the Martian sky twice a day, rising in the west and setting in the east. It is in a death spiral, approaching Mars at a rate of 1.8 meters every 100 years. Its fate is already sealed. The surface is dark and porous, covered in regolith and similar in composition to carbonaceous chondrite asteroids. Its most striking feature is the giant Stickney crater, a massive scar from a collision that nearly destroyed the moon. Using their advanced hyperlight engines, Lucas and Emma reached the red planet in just 3 weeks. The view was magnificent and breathtaking. No one had ever stood on Phobos before, until now. They walked on the dark surface, collecting minerals and discovering strange glowing crystals hidden in the shadows. As they headed into the huge crater, they encountered something unusual that took their breath away. To be continued.
The journey from Phobos to Deimos took no more than 10 minutes. Lucas and Emma were about to reach the smallest satellite in the solar system. Discovered in 1877, Deimos is an irregular carbonaceous rock. At only 15 kilometers across, its surface area is remarkably similar to Manhattan Island. As they entered a circular orbit 23,000 kilometers above Mars, they searched for a landing spot. But Deimos was not alone. Suddenly, a shining sphere appeared, attacking their ship. Lucas and Emma realized that they had encountered a guardian they couldn't hope to challenge. Avoiding conflict with the unknown, they turned back. The sphere returned to its silent vigil, watching over the secrets of the moon. They approached the red planet, knowing that while they left Deimos behind, Mars itself is full of even deeper secrets.
Welcome to Mars, the planet of robots. Explorers Lucas and Emma have just entered orbit. It is the red planet, home to Olympus Mons, the tallest volcano in the solar system at 27 kilometers high. And look at Valles Marineris. This canyon system stretches over 4,000 kilometers across the surface. The rust-covered surface creates a pink sky, and surprisingly, sunsets here are blue. It's extreme here. Temperatures average minus 60 degrees, but can drop to a freezing minus 160. Massive dust storms can engulf the entire planet and last for months at a time. Mars once had rivers and lakes. Today, vast reserves of ice are hidden beneath the surface. Now, it's a planet of robots, inhabited only by rovers like Curiosity and Perseverance. Its tiny moons, Phobos and Deimos, are likely captured asteroids. Phobos is slowly getting closer. Our explorers are landing on top of Olympus Mons. The expedition has finally begun.
Explorers Lucas and Emma landed on Mount Olympus on Mars. They had wanted to do this for a long time. It is the largest shield volcano and the highest mountain in the solar system. It rises 21 to 26 kilometers above the surface, with a base diameter comparable to the size of France or Italy. The height of Olympus is almost 3 times higher than Everest. It is located in the Tharsis province. Due to its gentle slope and giant base, standing on the surface, it is impossible to see it completely. It is a shield volcano formed by flows of liquid lava that solidified over millions of years. The volcano is surrounded by a steep cliff up to 8 kilometers high, formed in the absence of plate tectonics. Scientists suggest that billions of years ago, Olympus could have been a volcanic island in a Martian ocean. They personally explored the volcano and found plates with unknown inscriptions and fragments of strange machines. Lucas and Emma concluded that in former times, the top of the mountain was an astronomy observatory. Suddenly, the top began to tremble. It was dangerous for them and for the spaceship. They took off and set their course to Jupiter. Goodbye, Mars. The mysterious and mighty Jupiter is waiting.